matter what happens in this world, may it be death, may destruction that is created into new life. I want you to have love and hope when there might be nothing but darkness. Because in doing this, you will all become invincible.
I was born with thick skin, so I can take whatever life throws at me on the chin and still grin. I will sin and ask to be forgiven for the way that I'm living, as it's beginning to not be driven enough. So I cut down the puff and all the other stuff I can't afford to chore anymore. I'm gonna explore some of the other options available to me, because you see, sat in a call centre chair's a boring place to be. I don't need to point that out, I need to disappoint all the doubt pessimism inflicts in my soul by having a realistically achievable goal. I aim to take control as the bad times are on a roll, but I'm not gonna let it get me down, as it's more for me here in Glasgow City than in Dumfries, my hometown. I'd have to be a clown to choose the booze and lose all of my potential. In fact, I'd have to be mental, as I'd be left feeling emptier than this part of the instrumental. The rough times are interruptible if you make just one decision, and that's to stand your ground with an indestructible aura of optimism, which is a strong shield for deflecting the potentially harmful and infecting laziness that I keep detecting. I'm not just jesting, I wrote this down so I can keep sending the message to my brain that's worth sending. That's I don't want to feel the same strain again. I need a new experience that's worthwhile and makes me smile. Not more DTs, numb fingers, painful organs and poisonous bile. I hope I've learned from the errors of my way, and that I grow stronger every day, as it would be so stupid for me to butcher my future in a drunken stupor with no one as my tutor. I want to strive to survive, high-five the hands of time and feel alive. I'm buzzing like a beehive, just thinking about not drinking and smoking it all away. I know I can do it, and in the long run it'll pay, as addiction only leads me to dismay, living in constant disarray, feeling as rotten as decay, with all the important things forgotten due to delay. Stalling, I'm not falling into an abyss. I've got this urge to purge toxins from my system, seek out good advice and listen. Rainy days just condition your mind to be better prepared and less scared. I've not cared for long enough now, so I'm gonna break this self-perpetuating cycle somehow. And there's no need for me to feel sorrow if I seize the day, progress forward with positive plans for tomorrow. I've got some direction now to follow, and a pride I'll never swallow. And a pride I'll never swallow.